The solution is in the process. Good morning, everybody. It's going to be a great day. Wednesday, beginning of the year, lots to do. But yet, one of the things that I see happen is that we focus on the outcome. The solution it's in the process. It's in what you do. So we call 10 people, 20 people, 30 people. We can't control whether they're ready to sell or not. Give you an example. I met with a seller in December. I actually met with him on the phone, and I went to the house. He wasn't able to meet me. It was vacant. I went myself. I called him back. I did the consult. I went over everything, what needed to happen to get the property sold. He's like, great. I said, I got to tell you some other things about the property. And he already knew basically what I was telling him, but he said it was good to really hear that from me. And because I told him basically that the kitchen, half of it needs to be ripped out. They built a house with two different styles, one style for like the living room, the upstairs, and a completely different style for the kitchen. So it really nice house, but if they were two separate houses, it would be great. So that's two different buyers. So you've alienated both people. Anyway, I scheduled a time to meet with him the following day. And I get a message back that morning that says he can't deal with this right now. He doesn't want to deal with it till after the holidays. And he was ready to list. But now he's not. Because whatever is going on with him, not ready. $600,000 property. Okay, so I said, happy holidays, well, Merry Christmas, I said to him. And I will contact you right after the new year. So yesterday, I was back to work. I called him. And he said, oh, I ripped out half the kitchen. I ordered some new stuff. He goes, but now I have the flu. I was like, I'm so glad you called, but I have the flu. So now, hopefully, I'm going to meet him next Wednesday. I can't control any part of the outcome. The only thing I can control, the solution, is in the process. It's in doing the work, because we don't know when somebody's going to be actually ready or not. We just don't. There's things that come up in life. Somebody gets sick. Somebody mentally can't deal with it. Somebody's kid is sick. Somebody's mother is sick. They have to take them to the hospital. Now the mother's in the hospital for a month. So in order to impact more people, you have to be able to reach more people. And you have to be able to reach more people. You need to be able to do that through, one, your brand, and two, they're reaching more people by giving an impact to more people. Calling, texting, emailing, videos, doing goodwill for the community. All of the above. Brand isn't built in a night. It's built over decades and decades of work, but it's doing the same things every single day with love, with compassion, with empathy, with guidance, with patience, and truly, truly to excel in this business. So the solution, again, is in the process, and each of us has the ability to be the solution. So focus on the process, do the work, make the calls, talk to many people as you need to, make sure that your message meets the market. And that's another topic for another day, my friends. If you like the video, share it, drop a comment. I appreciate you. Let's have a fantastic day.